Like that spot right there on MGC.
Let me pull up in GC. Which spot?
Just looking left, that rejection off the 30. It's done in the past. Up to hour, it's done in the past.
That's, yeah.
Spot.
Yep. Which spot? Yeah, holy cow. MGC is moving this morning.
Mm-hmm.
Look how much this one candle is, I think 500 pips.
Golly. 500.
530 pips, yeah. This 15 minute.
Jeez.
I'm gonna grab some water. All right. Well, I'll pray, and then if we want to do a top down.
Yeah.
Right. Dear God, thank you for this day, Lord. Just thank you for these guys and this community that we get to come here, and this opportunity you've given us, Lord. Please give us wisdom as we look at the charts this morning, and just continue to guide our every step throughout the day. Lord, we love you and we're so thankful for you. In Jesus' name, amen.
Amen. All right. So, starting on gold here. Let's go to the daily. Closed up a little funky on the previous daily. Gapped up. We're pushing down here on gold. Back down into the 5100s. 4 hour. Ripping down, but showing signs of rejection. Up off of this level here at 51.14. So it's a heavy resistance that is now looking like it's becoming a support. So we're still a couple hours away from this candle closing, so I could easily see this ripping back up and continue to come up into 53, 73, or 76. So hourly closed up bullish, didn't leave much of a top wick. So if we get some rejections out of here within the next hour, expecting that top wick to be formed, I do like buys, preferably up above this chop right here, because there is a lot of chop. But 30-minute was pushing up, and now we just kind of this 7 a.m. opening has pushed us back down. But we'll see if we want to stay down there or rally back up here. So let me get my levels set. Just realistically don't want anything apart, or don't want to be a part of anything in this chop. So the levels are going to be kind of wide here on gold for now. Yeah, we need to close outside of this range between 51 80 and 52.16 here. So until then, I would not be interested in buys or sells. So yeah, realistically, that's what I have on gold. Let's see. Would like to get a closure up above here. So like if this candle wants to come up, you know, and close above here and leave this wick, we can look to take buys above, continue up. So that's mainly what I kind of want to see on gold. I think we're going to continue to rally. We're just having a pullback for now. Yeah, it's gold. Let's get over to NQ. All right, so daily, we previous closed up bullish. Man, we are kind of going sideways. Daily not having much of a top wick at all. We're coming down here into a target tapped area, right there off of that 24,409 level, and so I can see us continuing up here on NQ. I'm overall bullish. You know, we're in a bullish uptrend, and yeah, I think this is we're in a spot where we've rejected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, now for the 5th time. So definitely interested in buys coming back up off the daily. I know the 4-hour did close bearish, but until we get a closure below 24,409, I do like buys here actually, based off that pullback, based off of us grabbing the lows off the previous 4-hour, the target taps. So I'm gonna label this guy. So is that with 2 P's? Every time I type with caps, it just makes it.
Yeah, target tap.
So with that being tapped, we did close up. I mean, we're coming up out of here. We're getting bullish closures on the hourly here. See how the 15 closed up. 15 closure back below. So maybe a closure back above here would be great to continue up. So let me get my other levels set. So how'd that close up on the 30? 30 still open. I'm still bullish on NQ here. This is kind of a care package type of looking play off of the 15, but I would like to see the 30 close down there, to want to be a part of sales coming back down into this level. Buys. That's above. So that's below. Yeah, if this wants to, come down, hang out, and we do get a bearish closure off the 30, it's tricky because that hourly is doing the opposite. So in a weird spot with price action right now. So I'm gonna let this kind of play out before we want to get into anything. But yeah, I'm cool with those levels where they're at right now. as we come out, we are coming back up into levels that were previous supports. But with NQ and its volatility, I think we don't have any issues with those. NQ doesn't really care at New York Open. So for now, before that, definitely want to be cautious. But anytime really after New York Open, after it makes a decision, it's going to go. So
100%.
Yeah.
Yeah, that yesterday New York Open was crazy.
It's nuts, man. It's nuts, fam.
I guess I've just been surprised with how low volume we've gotten in Asian here recently.
Yeah. Has been kind of surprising.
Like from yeah, I do like NQ coming back up.
Mm-hmm.
But it may take some time for it too, so.
Don't have any action last night.
No. No action.
Negative.
Feeling a banger trade this morning. Like a 400 pip trade. That's what I'm feeling.
Be nice. What time's your ride at?
I have a ride today.
whatever it is.
We have like what they call like bombs. So they're just going to be talking about like the actual like nuclear like yields and all that sort of like stuff.
So it's the rest of this week and then next week you graduate.
Yes, so it's the rest of this week and then next week. Oh, Friday the 13th is my last like should be my last true like class day, and then I graduate on the 18th.
Nice.
So yeah, we're almost done.
It's awesome, man. I'm pumped for you.
Appreciate it. I'm glad to be almost done with it. Though I got a ton of stuff that I need to do here. Where like the different evals, and because we got evals and all sorts of certifications that we need to get, or like presentations. We got to give a 2-hour long presentation. So that'll be fun. And we can't take it home either. So it's like we have to stay there and work on it.
2-hour long presentation, man. Golly.
Yeah. They want to make sure you know your stuff.
Yeah.
But yeah, you can't take any of it home because it's classified. So it's like, if you want to work on it, you got to tell, or if you want to study or whatever, you got to tell an instructor. They got to open up the safes, and then you got to tell them when you're done too, so that then you guys can inventory and all sorts of other junk. But yes, I was like, oh no.
They've been has there been a lot of chatter with the Iran stuff?
No, because it's like, as bad as it sounds, it's like that's not big enough for us to get involved.
Right.
Because it's only like they're just doing conventional warfare over there.
Yeah.
Like they're just bombing them.
Yeah.
Just back and forth. We'd only if we were involved, it would be like flatten them to like obliterate the whole Middle East.
Yeah.
So it's like,
it's kind of nice for you to be like, okay, we really got to get in some deep murky waters for us to even think about getting involved with anything, you know?
Yeah, no, it's truly some deep murky water.
Yeah.
if we're firing off nukes, there is bigger issues in the world.
Yeah.
So, and could not be much of the world left.
Yeah.
But
This is tricky. I don't like this based off the hour.
oh, I don't either at all.
Yeah, because I mean, you look at the 15, you're like, oh, maybe a little continuation down, fill that wick, 30 closure below. um,
Yeah, and plus it's like came down, grabbed that hour pack too. So
talking about gold.
yeah,
Yeah.
NQ's doing similar things. It's just pushing down.
Yeah, I got it pulled up over here. You oughta just on your, because I think I'll probably start back testing more on the Asian if I'm not sharing my screen, because it's a lot to try to test that squeeze. But just finding levels and just having it marked out on your other screen. Just testing out rejection points, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Just hard because I want to make it with, say, the trend.
Yeah. No, definitely. Like it's gotta have to have a lot of with the trend, you know, time frames have to correlate, all that. What's up, Tehran? I think I'm saying your name right. Thanks for popping in. Tarun, I think maybe. Taryn. No, I'm close. How would you pronounce that dude's name in YouTube?
Brian?
Actually, great. 18-year-old hustling designer. If I make a great thumbnail for your live streams, will you consider it? Yeah, I mean, you could definitely send us an idea if you want to DM it to us on Instagram. Be interested to see what you cook up. Let me grab a cup of coffee. Sure, I'll send it. It's making me look really good in it.
That's going to be a tough job.
What's your good name? Declan. I'll spell it for you here. You got some competition though, man. I'm trying to get with AI myself, so we'll see. Let's see what
What are you making it on? That's CPO Donnie Claw.
see what chat does. I like it. So I'm sure AI can't beat me. Adobe Premiere Pro, okay. As long as you can beat whatever this.
Whatever this is. Yeah, dude, sometimes AI takes forever to create images and then it's just the
Oh,
worst
God.
thing I've ever seen.
Yeah, this could be. I don't know. I don't know if I like what it's showing.
I can't wait to see. So he's using Adobe Photoshop.
So like on NQ right here, Dyson.
Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking, but like, look how I want it to align with the daily almost.
Yeah.
Is that, if that kind of makes sense?
No, it
Just
does.
because, like,
So I mean I feel like it kind of would because of that target tap concept and the daily not having a top wick. So like it would be I'd come down to 30 and see this for this point of rejection.
so you're saying right at 24.
Right where it's at right now, have that. We would have already had that, that limit buy right there.
Yeah.
See if we get a rejection up out of here. With the 30-minute not having much of a top wick, 15. But that's just how I'm thinking of it right now. Because you have multiple time frames rejected from it in the past, even on the hourly.
I'll do it here. Where is my... Or I may just do one micro.
Yeah, just yeah. I mean that too. Whatever.
Have 500 pip stops, $250.
I'm about to break my freaking AI. I've put so much on this one thread, dude. It's not even funny.
Is that the? Oh my goodness, you were still texting it?
Oh yeah, dude, because it remembers everything. Like I've worked it. I mean, it's still gonna have to load up all this, but
That's insane. All right, I'll have the limit order set if it wants to come back down. See if I get tapped in here. Oh my goodness, dude, that poor thing is just not loading.
yeah, no. Oh, here it is.
Oh,
Holy.
is that what your gold futures, is that what your Donnie Cloth thinks of you?
Yes, he thinks yeah. Kind of like that FS Forward Strategies coffee mug.
Yeah, he knows you smashing the caffeine.
What? That's still crazy though. That ChatGPT can do this now.
Yep.
Like that dude looks pretty real to me.
I know.
So you got some competition to run.
Yep.
Did you get tapped in or no?
No, I didn't. It had to have missed me by like a tick.
So that, I mean, that's that idea though. I mean, look at it. It's like you'd be probably
It's like 80 pips, 90 now. Yeah.
just keeping a mental note doesn't hurt either, you know.
Mm-mm.
I'll see if like it'd be cool to create. Like
But you would still have to go, like, I would probably go 2 micros at best.
oh yeah, no,
Like,
definitely.
because
Super.
I'm going to have 500 pip stops, but my TP is also going to be, let's see what it would be if I would have gone tapped in. Yeah, it would also be about 500 as well.
Yeah. No, I agree. And then I mean this at this point you go break even.
I wouldn't go break even till like, I would let it breathe because it is more of a swing trade. Oh, maybe? Almost got tapped in there. Dude, yeah, it missed me by 1 tick.
Oh.
This is the 5-minute. Let me take a screenshot. Sorry, 2 ticks. Two ticks on NQ is like half a tick on. What you call it? On gold.
Yeah.
Maybe. Is it gonna happen? Now it doesn't look very good.
Yeah, I mean at this point in the trade I'd be like we got 2 minutes to the 15. I would have deleted that by now.
Well, I didn't, so
It's alright.
I am in the trade. I'm in the trade, gentlemen. TP is looking to. Oh no. Stay here easy with me. This is kind of what I got. Deck, let me know your thoughts on that.
Yeah, I mean that's that whole idea. I like that.
Coming up 30. Let's see though. How's Goldie looking?
No good.
Oh, he's no good.
Yeah.
No top wick on the 30 or out.
Yeah. Looks pretty good off the 15 to continue down. If it made a top wick and break those lows, but
Yeah.
so the idea here on gold
Would also be something similar too.
Yeah, exactly. So 4 hour, targets tapped into that daily, tapping into that 5106 level. I'm just gonna do this on my because dude, we're not even gonna get play here within the next 15. So uh, yeah, the idea would be okay. This hourly doesn't really have a bottom wick or a top wick, which we're getting late in the pretty late in the. We've had a rejection off of this level multiple times, so it'd be like, this is on my practice account, by the way, everyone. Everyone, this is on my practice. If you're listening.
If you're
But
listening, they just.
yeah. But basically, it'd be like to get into this right here, but with the 15 not having a top wick.
Yeah, you should almost do like max contracts so that people.
This is practice, by the way. We're testing this strat. That's crazy how even one micro
Dude, I know.
is that many ticks. I mean, there's already 53.
See, I would
But
extend it further.
no, definitely like below this wick where we rejected,
Yeah.
and then taking this back up into here.
You can do real contracts on your practice or no?
Yeah, but this is realistically like how I'd be trading it
Yeah.
on my XFAs. I don't know if I could do real contracts though.
Because also for like, say not a swing trade like what we're in, but like for NQ to a closure above 24,4999. 24,499 looks good for buys too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I mean, that's like 130 ticks right there.
Yeah. Yeah, I was like, you almost got a extremely sniper entry.
Yeah.
Declan, is this your chart or Dyson's?
It's mine. It's on the practice though.
Okay. Practice.
We're talking about practice. Yeah, we got a new play in the works called the squeeze play.
Okay.
Yeah. Just where, you know, it's like it'd be stupid not to lean in our ability to know where the market's heading like 90% of the time. Like we're right about direction. Just the timing's off. So this is basically us, like I'm going one micro on this. But it's using the higher time frame and like lower time frame correlation, how we get direction, and we're using it to get go smaller on the size, but let the trades breathe more.
Kind of like you did that one night where you just let it play out, see what happens. Is that right?
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay. So it's one of those that we could close out and not know what happens till 2:00 in the afternoon.
Pretty much, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So
the only way I'd want to check on it is just like maybe it's like, hey, you know what? I'm gonna go break even as I'm up 400 pips or something.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. But this is like from the 4 hour we get such a good sense of direction. So basically the idea of this is, one, we're bullish on gold. We think gold's going to continue to rally. So the 4 hour has tap targets looking left. We've tapped into this level right here that used to be a resistance, and now it's becoming a support. So as we come up out of this, the whole idea is the 4 hour is going to continue to reject and push up into these highs up here, as well as the hourly not having the top wick, which that's fixing to close in 8 minutes, and that's okay. And then you see how, like on the 30 minute, if you look left, price where it's at right now has rejected 1, 2, 3, 4 times off this same level. So you look to price will mirror itself, and so that's kind of what we're looking at. And you go to the 15 and you see that price where we're at right here, boom, rejected, came up, broke the highs, boom, rejected, came up, broke the highs, boom, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So that's the whole idea of that, if that makes any sense. But it's something that I'm gonna have to back test for a month or two just to really get some data,
Yeah.
get some good data on it.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
I was talking and didn't realize I'd muted myself. LOL.
But yeah, it's just taking advantage of our of knowing hey, look, there's a lot of support or resistance here at certain levels, so
And we were like typically spot on about, hey, sniper exits, let's get out right here. Okay, if we're good about sniper exits and typically the price will reject where we know it's going to reject, I think it'd be cool to be able to take advantage of that on the flip side and be a part of that rejection. So obviously it's not set in stone. It's not like our new play right now. It's just something that I want to test.
yeah.
And it's just stuff you pick up as you view the market more. Like, you guys, the more you show up, the more you're going to see things, and you can even come up with the play yourself. And if it's something that happens more oftentimes than not in the market, you have your edge. And if you stick to that edge, that can be your own little strategy. So it's how all these strategies formed in the first place. It's by people just doing this right here, but shoot, dude, I see this happen all the time. Let's test this out and gain data on it and really dial it in. So
Oh no, why can't I do that?
looks like your play is one to come up out of these levels too, Dyson.
Yeah, it sure is. Well, I mean, it also doesn't even look bad necessarily for I say a shorter term entry.
I know.
I just like it to be bullish. I say more bullish on the 15.
Definitely. So that 30 closes weak bearish.
So the week 30 closes week bearish, but it's struggling at this point. So we'll see what we get.
Definitely. Oh, wind's howling today. Let's see what the weather's gonna be like. Dude, I've kept my window open no matter what the past week.
Really?
Just so I don't get suffocated with mold.
I love it.
This is the first morning where I've woken up and been like, you know what? I feel okay today, dude. It's ugh.
That's good. You're feeling better.
Yeah.
And so when are they coming to test for mold?
You sent a few to Steven on the Discord, okay. Did you just like DM him on the Discord?
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see it. Let me copy image. I'll show you. There's your boy.
Got him in the dude, he pulled
Got
it
me
off
in my
your
cowboy
Instagram.
hat.
Dude, that's awesome.
There's the other one.
Bro. Dude.
The cowboy hat crack you up.
Look at that. Oh man. How much you charging? $1,000?
1 billion.
I don't know, man. If I think I'd click on that.
Think that would up the sales by. Dude, and honestly, how NQ closed up here, this doesn't even look bad for buys off the 15.
It doesn't. Expecting that top wick on the hourly.
Yeah, I mean,
How many ticks is that bottom wick?
I'd like to see it come down a little more.
Just a
though.
tad more here.
Yeah,
Alright.
just because it is the hourly wick.
Yeah.
I would like to see it.
So it would be about 80 ticks. Okay, so I'm gonna have a buy stop here.
Yeah, that looks good.
For breaking those highs.
This is not practice, right?
This is not practice. I ain't talking about practice on this one. But yeah, breaking those highs off 15, 30-minute breaking the highs. Nice bottom wick on the hourly. Let's go.
How many contracts you got? It's like blurry.
Yeah, I don't know why it is,
4.
but it looks 4.
That's my combine though, so I'm going 3 contracts on my 150K account over here.
If we get activated.
I'm gonna target realistically, yeah, this level right here. I'm at 24,530 based off the hourly. That'll be where I'm wanting to take this up into. So
Like it. if we get it.
Excuse me.
Dude, look how my charts are gonna be.
Oh yeah, you're taking this off your.
Dude, yeah. So look how like this looks we make it in. Look at that.
Oh man. Let's see if we get activated.
Yeah.
Ugh. Activation.
Order filled. Oh, I'm in.
Here we go. I got. This needs to just keep pushing up here because I don't have much drawdown on the old 150. But stops would be below here if I did have this set up differently.
So if I'm in bonds, how would I do? So limit sell, and I'll do, I guess, limit buys. 3, so I still maintain stop loss. No, it wouldn't be that. It would be a sell stop. Yeah.
That's so crazy how fast that goes. Oh my gosh.
I know. What are those? Oh my gosh. This
What?
dude's freaking blowing it here. Let me show this on my. You see her, the Discord? Getting blown up. That MGC trade, I'm up 350 ticks.
Really?
Yeah.
And that's also another thing too, is like MGC definitely moves more. Like it likes it more, I say more based on the
Off the rejections or whatever.
yeah, off the support and
off the-
rejections than
yeah.
NQ does.
Yeah. My 150 deck combine couldn't survive the drawdown, sadly.
Really?
Yeah, it was at like $1,000 left, and I went a good bit of size on that guy. But
See if we break those highs again. Keep on pushing.
Dyson, I need you to comment on this for me. Coffee's called my name. I dude, it's bad.
You're all good. Yeah, Dick has his lower than mine. What's he looking at? The 1 hour? Or maybe he doesn't. Oh, he does, yeah. Okay. Yep. Mhm. See if we survive it. Hope I didn't, so it got me out there.
Dyson, does he have his sell stop set at 24?
So his is gonna be different because he has like slippage and all sorts of stuff on Trading View. So I always do current candle. So I got stopped out here on Top Step, but
Yeah, mine hit my stop loss. I lost my XFA.
dang, you still
Time
had
for a
your
comment.
XFA?
Yeah, I still had it. Cause I just left it over from last month.
Oh, okay.
But I'll get 2 combines now. So let's have some fun.
Love it. Yeah, that's what happened to me too. It's my
I was already at my balance. My drawdown was still $2,000, but my balance was at 1,100. So I was like, screw it. I'm just gonna put it down to like 2,000 there. I put 2 contracts, and yeah, it hit that 2,000 mark pretty quick.
yeah. That's what it could be a good thing or a bad thing too. I say like having a quick, like, oh, I'm gonna go heavy risk, so I don't have to be in it very long. But it's like it's like if you just can't handle much drawdown, it's may not be good. Well, gold's doing what we wanted NQ to do here, so.
Dude, NQ has been rattling us.
And gold did exactly what we wanted NQ to do.
Yeah.
But yeah, I tapped us out and then. Yeah.
Nasdaq is staying out here.
You still in, Declan?
No. I got tapped out. This is the gold thing I have, but I got tapped out there on NQ. Are you still in it?
No, when I was like, it went really fast. I didn't have my buy stop, I guess, as high as y'all did.
Yeah.
So like in the flash, it hit my buy stop. So 276 profit for me.
Nice.
Let's
Still
go.
finding a way to make profit.
But well, dude, I needed it, bro. You don't, man. Yeah, I needed that one because um, I haven't really had a chance to tell the group or you or any like what I did the other night on the 19th. That's kind of why I haven't been showing up at night because I'm just too distracted.
Right.
And like I was putting Duke down, and I had the computer in with me, had laying with him, kind of keeping one eye on it, trying to get him to sleep. And I saw y'all got into a trade, and I didn't realize that you were micro on the Nasdaq, and I went regular on the Nasdaq, and I got burned for $1,500
Gotcha.
on that one. So I'm just like, man, that's why I'm like, I just can't. There's just too many distractions,
Right. Yeah.
right, for me. So, see, I needed to get back in the win column.
Nice. Yeah, chip back away.
Yeah, but that's the thing. I was just like, I just wanted to chip at it. So I didn't. That's one of the reasons I didn't set it up high.
Gotcha.
So, and I definitely wanted to make sure it was over $150. So,
Yeah.
Yeah. That's
Yeah,
why.
that's key too, because for Top Step, you may need to be in profit though.
Yeah,
So-
he is. He is in profit.
No, I'm saying like from your last payout.
Gotcha.
Because I can't remember when you got that XFA, because they have changed some rules or put different parameters in, and so where it's like, whatchamacallit, where you have to be like in profit, or you have to have a positive balance, or you have to be essentially in profit from your last payout. So it's like, so it's like you could have 5 winning days of $200.
Yeah.
But then if you took,
But if I had $2,000 worth of losses and only have $1,000 worth of gains, they may not let me take a payout.
yeah.
Yeah.
So it's stupid. They added another rule, but
yeah, I got you.
Dang, Dick, that's the one I should have been in on, was the MGC.
I know.
I was about to put it, but I'm like, dude, I would have too many things running, and
Yeah, it would have been a lot. Would have been a lot. I'm almost, dude. Like with NQ, it has rinsed me, and it's rinsed everyone the past 2 months.
Yeah.
And I'm just like, dude, price action is just too all over the place for me right now. Like, dude, I don't know. It's freaking just tricky, man. I just like gold.
It's just like gold. I know. It's yeah, and just coming up with something different now for gold, since they're not allowing us to trade
Right.
how we want to trade on gold. So look at the 5-minute on NQ. I feel like it's going to make a decision here, and it is going to explode. But we have been chopping for the 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 minutes. Pretty much essentially ever since I've been in this trade.
Yeah. Shopping around, mate. So then you see NQ. Just get right back up.
Yeah, and so it's
been. I mean, it's been the moral story lately. It's like Just get tapped out barely, and then boom, right back up to where we wanted it to go. Um, I'm gonna grab another coffee. I'll be right back.
I kind of forgot that I actually needed to start probably getting ready here because I need to leave in 20 minutes. So, and I
You're
am
good,
not
man.
close. So,
You're good.
raise this, John.
There goes Nasdaq. Right to our TP. You freaking bastard. It's tricky, man. 806. That's when we got in. secondary volume coming in. I'm still testing this out here, but this is part of that squeeze play that I want to try. So the limit buy right here, as this comes down and taps into this level of rejection, seeing if we can grab the bounce here. But this is all practice, by the way. So oh, that just added to that other. Interesting. So that didn't give me that new. I forget that's how that works. We'll see here. Trading. You don't post it.
Bang! It hit my NQ.
I did.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, man. It right about direction there. But and that's what I mean. Like,
His NQ, I think, is it just it. Whoa! Is just has to have less risk for bigger stops because of like
letting that thing breathe, dude.
yes.
No, I'm excited about this new play idea.
Me too.
So, I mean, yeah, it's and then on GC, where I think we reject out of this all day, and it's like if not, that's why we go lighter size on this. If this does want to continue all the way down into these levels, which I just don't see happening.
Yeah.
So
And I think stops are at the most realistic place they can be.
for sure. For sure.
That's my first win on that XFA.
Jeez.
Like,
Hey, that's nice you took it on the XFA. What'd you get out of that?
well, so the loss, I lost 145, and so so right now I'm profit 200, so about 350.
That wind is howling today. Dude, gold's melting, man.
Is that kind of where you headed, where you thought it would go?
No, not at all. But it's fine. That's what's nice about. That's why we're back testing this. This is just on a practice account, so.
Yeah, totally.
But even then, like, you know, my average loss and win is 1,000 to 2,000. When all the XFAs are up and going in the 150K. So it's like, even though that's why we're doing less size. So you give it all types of breathing room, and this would just be another average loser. So
Yeah.
But I still love the idea. Like that's what Dyson was just talking about. He just took a win on on the NQ trade we took.
Yeah.
Which, I mean, you can see ended up hitting our full take profit, smashing through it. But it's just I think it's gonna be really good for us because we're 90% right about direction, and we know where price is heading all the time. So I think this gives us just another edge in the market to take advantage of if we're not getting our like playbook setups at the time. Just add another option for us, you know.
Yeah, totally. And now, were you saying when you said 1,000 to 2,000? Are you saying 2 to 1? So you do your take profit twice as much as your loss? Is that did I hear that right or no? Did I not hear that right at all?
In a way, it's typically a 1 to 1. I'm saying our average.
Okay.
My average loss is 1,000. My average winners is 1,000. So
Okay.
it's a 1 to 1. And so what I was saying is like that's why we, I just got stopped out. But that's like an average loss for me. So if price does go against the direction we thought it would, that's why we let it breathe. But instead of going heavy size like we do on our sniper entries, like where we're getting in and out of the trade in a couple minutes, this is you just go down to the micro, 1 or 2 micros, and like get into it and let it breathe. You might not be right about direction within 5 minutes, but we're right about direction in 30 minutes.
Yeah, totally.
So that's kind of the whole concept. Is that's kind of what we're testing out, So
yeah. I think that makes a lot of sense.
Yes.
I know it's totally different than what you've been doing, but I think that's a different type of weapon you have in your arsenal, if you will.
No, 100%. And something where it's like I can set this up and be completely fine with losing $200 on my XFA, which is nothing, and letting it go overnight and waking up and seeing where it's at, and making that extra $200 to $500 overnight.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? When you're like, okay, we're leaving the Asian session. We know London sessions. We're probably going to head up into these levels. And sure enough, we wake up. Oh, yep, there it goes. We just missed that move in the Asian session. Opposed to let's be a part of this and let this thing breathe so we can take advantage of that move while we're sleeping.
Yeah.
So, and the beautiful thing about it too is it correlates to our playbook at the same time, because we're still using price action and higher time frame, lower time frame correlation.
Yeah.
So
yeah, totally.
That's the fun stuff about trading, is like you kind of within your playbook you spot out certain stuff and you get to start testing it out. It's how our playbook was formed in the first place, It's about like noticing things in the market that happen a lot, and you find that edge, and then you kind of
like not being totally. I mean, obviously wanting to stick with your plan, but not being blind to things outside of it.
Exactly, 100%. Like we'll still take the setups we've always taken. This will just be another setup we can take as well. So just add that another play into the playbook.
Yeah, kind of what I did this morning too was like I was already in the trade, and then it was just, okay, cool, I'm gonna risk a little less and have my stops at the same place y'all did, but because I was already in that big, I say, swing trade.
Right.
So it's like you can still trade the play, or like our playbook, but it's
this 100% correlates to our strategy and our playbook and how we trade. So it's just the difference is you're sizing smaller, and you're wanting to be a part of the bigger move that we always call, opposed to just getting in and out quick. What's getting in and out quick, there's gonna be months where that's what's freaking we're banging those out, opposed to the longer trade. So it's fun. Like you any trader will tell you, like, you can't get complacent. You always have to adapt. Every single day you have to continue to adapt to the market, and if you don't, you'll get left in the dust. So
Yeah. I like that's a good philosophy on life, you know.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. But I think we're good for that. I'm gonna go ahead and end the YouTube session. Tarun, I'll text you back on Discord. But I appreciate you sending those thumbnail ideas. It gives us something to talk about. So hope you have a good day, and I hope all you guys have a good day as well. I'm gonna go ahead and just end it. Call it. It's a good session. So